Hello everyone. I am Shital Nalbilwar from YB Patil Polytechnic, Akodi, Pune, lecturer in Civil Engineering Department, presenting under the International FDP on Environmental and Sustainability, organized by D.Y. Patil College of Engineering, Akodi. Today's topic is specific environmental awareness. So, environmental sustainability is defined as the responsible interaction with the environment to avoid depletion or degradation of natural resources and allow for the long-term environmental quality. It is about all aspects of our lives, such as food, shelter, water, clothing, our lifestyle. Now, looking into some of the problems which are there in an environment. First is pollution. The contamination into the natural environment which causes adverse effect is called pollution. It includes air pollution, water pollution, ocean pollution and soil pollution. The industrialization or in the cities, burning of coal and wood in the farms, traffic on the roads, excessive use of petroleum products, this causes this air pollution. Chemicals and trash coming from the ocean resource and blown into the ocean causes marine pollution, which results in the damage to the marine ecosystem. It quickly gets absorbed into the food chain, causing mutations as well as diseases to both human and animal. Water pollution occurs where harmful substances like chemicals, sewage water, industrial wastewater get mixed with the river, lakes, aquifer and ultimately in the groundwater. This water gets absorbed into the groundwater and lead to the degradation of aquatic ecosystem. Soil pollution is the result of agricultural toxic chemicals which are excessively used in the soil and which makes the soil barren. Second is natural resource depletion. There are two types of resources, biotic and abiotic resources. Biotic resources are fossil fuels, forest, animals, coal and petroleum. Abiotic resources, land, fresh air, water, heavy metals such as gold, copper, iron, silver, etc. The exploitation of these natural resources and cutting of forest causes depletion of these resources. Next, third point is waste disposal. It includes solid waste, wastewater disposal, electronic waste. These are causing tremendous problem on the environment. This is the biggest challenge for every government nowadays. Next is loss of biodiversity. Human activities are causing problems to the ecosystem, loss of biodiversity. These animals are losing their habitat and this is causing the extinction of the various species. Thank you.